Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Resetting your settings in Stardew Valley can help fix bugs or let you start fresh with your gameplay preferences. Step 1. Launch Stardew Valley and navigate to the main menu. Once you're on the title screen, look for the Options or Settings button, which is typically located in the lower right corner of the menu. Click on it to access your game settings. Step 2. Find the settings file location on your computer. Your Stardew Valley settings are stored in a specific folder depending on your operating system. On Windows, go to your Documents folder and look for a Stardew Valley folder. On Mac, check your Library folder under Application Support. Step 3. Back up your current settings before making any changes. Create a copy of your settings file and save it somewhere safe, like your desktop or a backup folder. This way, if something goes wrong, you can always restore your original settings. Step 4. Delete or rename the settings file to reset everything. Find the file named stardewvalley.ini or similar configuration file inside your Stardew Valley folder. Right-click it and either delete it or rename it with an underscore at the beginning. Step 5. Restart Stardew Valley to regenerate default settings. Close and reopen the game completely. The game will automatically create a brand new settings file with all default values, giving you a fresh slate for your gameplay experience.